So over here you can see that I have a picture, and let's say what I want to do is I want to add in shadow effect to this picture. In that case, you need to select this picture, then go to picture format. And over here you can see that shadow is an option. So if I were to go to shadow, you can select out different shadow options as you can see right here. And then there's a subtle shadow which is added in as you can see right here. If I were to go over here on shadows, you can see that I can also go around and change the direction. And you can see a bit of shadow on the left hand side as you can see right here. So you can go around over here, and there's not much control for the shadow, but you straightforward add to it as you can see just like this. So as you go around, you can see that there's subtle amount of shadow that is added. You can also go around and remove out the shadow by clicking on no shadow, and there's no shadow anymore. But according to the direction you want, you can go around and add it in as you like to add in a bit of depth to the picture that you have in your email body. So that is how you can add in picture shadows according to how you like inside of Microsoft Outlook. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.